Hi, I'm Tahir, one of the product engineers at Langdock. A lot of important work still happens in the spreadsheet, but everything around it, your files, your context, and your other tools live somewhere else. So today, we're bringing Langdock into Excel. Let me show you. I have sales data in my Google Drive that isn't ready to use yet. It has duplicate rows and fields that needs cleanup. Before it changes anything, Langdock asks for permission, so I can review the action first. It won't override existing data without your approval. Next, I can ask it for a summary that pulls out the key numbers and show the trend at a glance, with a couple of charts. I can also give it custom instructions here, so it formats exactly how I want it. Once the report is ready, I use the Gmail integration to draft an email. It automatically attaches the file, writes the summary, and sends it out. I can also save the finished file back to the Langdock library, so it is easy to find and use later. And that's Langdock in Excel. Give it a try and see how it fits into your work. Looking forward to see what you do with it.
Yeah.